Welcome to biology class. We already know that all living organisms use energy to grow. Every cell of a plant, an animal, or our own body requires energy for various activities. The muscle cells contract for movement. The brain cells send and receive messages. In fact, we need energy for all our daily activities. Even when we are sleeping, we need energy. Let me ask you a simple question. How do we get energy to perform all the activities? Most of us will answer from the food we eat, right? The food we eat is a source of energy, which means energy is stored inside the food. In order to unlock this energy, the food needs to be broken down. Children, you have already studied in the chapter Digestive System that the food which we eat gets digested and absorbed by our body. The glucose in the absorbed food combines with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, water, and energy. This process is called respiration. Respiration is the process of releasing carbon dioxide and energy by breaking down glucose in the presence of oxygen. This respiration is carried out by the respiratory system. So children, today we will start our next chapter, the respiratory system. As discussed earlier, respiration is the process in which food is broken in the presence of oxygen to release energy. The breakdown of glucose occurs in the presence of oxygen, which we breathe along with air. In this way, respiration provides energy to the living organisms. Respiration is carried out by the respiratory system. The respiratory system is a set of organs that helps in breathing and breakdown of food to release energy along with water vapor. The respiratory system consists of following organs: nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, lungs. Let us learn about the components of respiratory system.
Now let's take a look at a diagram and we'll go through the respiratory system's main components. Starting here with the nose and nasal cavity, the mouth or oral cavity. The pharynx is here, and it is what we consider the throat. The pharynx is considered part of the digestive system as well as the respiratory system, and it connects the respiratory openings to the larynx and esophagus. The esophagus is not part of the respiratory system, and I'll get to why I put it in the diagram in a minute. Next we have the larynx, which is also called the voice box because the vocal cords are located here. The trachea, also called the windpipe, is here, and it connects to the bronchi, which merge into smaller tubes called bronchioles. And the bronchioles connect to tiny air sacs called alveoli.
Today, we have learnt respiration and the organs of respiratory system. Thank you children. Stay safe.